A violent sex offender is getting a new address tonight. His old one was too close to one of his victims. The state messed up. So where is he going now? Brett Bagansky shows you where and when he could soon be walking the streets.
There was a mistake. We are sorry for that as people. That will be corrected, I am confident.
Judge Eugene Gastrikevich acknowledging the state's mistake of putting a violent sex offender blocks away from one of his victims.
Very hard. Emotional, very much.
She was in court Thursday waiting to hear where her attacker, 44-year-old Michael Fink, will be living when he's released.
Mr. Fink, are you on the phone?
Yes, I am, sir.
Fink appeared via telephone from the Sandridge treatment facility.
Do we say to them as a people, we're going to lock you up and throw away the key for the rest of your life?
The judge said while safety is the #1 priority for the public and victims, he said Fink has served his time and paid his debt to be reintegrated back into society. Fink will be living here on South Memorial Drive and 16th Street in Racine, where he'll have GPS monitoring him for the rest of his life, and he can't leave his house without a chaperone for 2 years.
I see no reason to delay his placement into the community.
Fink's attorney, Ron Peterson, was arguing his client be placed at the new home Friday, but the judge declined, saying a public meeting needs to be scheduled before March 7th, notifying the public where Fink will be residing.
I'm glad that they did grant the 3 weeks to place him, and the judge declined the 24-hour placement.
We have to realize as a people we need to deal with that. We don't need to embrace it, but we clearly don't need to condemn it.
Racine Alderwoman Molly Hall was also in court to advocate for a change in the city's law. It's currently being discussed at Common Council, which would place restrictions on where sex offenders could live. Live in the newsroom, Brett Bagansky, Fox 6 News.
All right, Brett, thank you. We're watching and waiting.
That's all anybody on land can really do as a crippled cruise ship is towed to shore.